Hey guys, my name is Brianna for the people that are new here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a new French braided fishtail, which looks like this. And I do highly recommend using two colors like I did. I'm choosing white, I grabbed a few, and black. That's the colors I'm using. You can use your fingers, a fork, and other options if you don't have a rainbow loom like this. And I will be using a metal hook it's a new thing from the Rainbow Loom store. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to take your cap band. Mine's going to be white. And you're going to do this. So it's going to be your cap. And now you take your next color, which is mine's black. And you go over it. And push down when you keep going and take your next color. So this is what you should have. And then put that on top. So this is what you should have so far. So now you're going to take your left side, pull it over top. And then you're going to take your right side and do the same what you did to the left. Okay, so you should have this. So this is the start, but now it's going to get a little different from a normal fishtail. So you keep pushing down as you keep going. Okay, so you're going to take your next color, which mine's black again. And you're going to take the middle. On the left side, you take the middle. On the right side, you take the bottom. And you don't go on the inside, you go on the outside. So you should have something like this. Okay, so now you take your next color, which mine's white again. You take that and put it over. Okay, here's a tip. You see how there's two blacks and then there's one black over here? Whenever there's two of one color, that's the one you're going to take. So this one I'm going to take from the bottom and this one from the middle. And remember, keep it from the outside, not from the inside. Don't do it on the inside because that will mess it up. And you don't want to do the same color on the bottom or in the middle because that'll just mess it up. But this is what you do is, you see how there's two again. I'll repeat it again. There's two whites and one white in there. Take the bottom white, pull it over top, and then you take this one, the middle, and pull it over top. Don't forget, like I said before in the beginning, to pull it down as you go along. Okay. So that's basically what you're doing through this whole thing until the end. You don't have a specific amount because you have to measure it of your wrist to see what fits. So I can't say like make it 6 bands or like 50 because I don't know how big or small your wrist is. And then you keep doing this through the whole video until the end, and see how I keep doing this. So this is what you keep doing. So you see there's two blacks and one black in the middle. And you can do this on your fingers. So here, there's two blacks and one black in the middle. Take the bottom black, take the middle black. You never want to take them off the bottom like I said before, or in the middle, because that'll just mess up your band. But this is what it should be doing. This is what you should be doing this whole video of doing what I just told you. And once you get the hang of it, I'm going to skip until the end and tell you how to close it off to make a bracelet. And you take your next color, take the bottom, and take the middle. Next color, take the bottom. If you can't see it, it's still there. I don't know if you could have seen that because I had to like get it down. But you take the bottom and take the middle. So that's basically what you're gonna do until you're finished, and make sure it measured your arm perfectly. And you can make as many as you want. But when I'm doing this, I'm gonna say, please turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah. I forgot to say this, but turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post. And tell me what you want to see me do next. And hurry up, guys. You know the giveaway that I'm talking about? It's ending soon because today's the 18th. 2 more days until I announce the winner. You guys better get your entries in. But, yeah. This is what you're going to be doing through this whole video. Okay, since now you got the length of it, of your thing, we are going to be closing it off. So take your last color band, put it on top, take like a normal, take this and do this, do it with that, and then take these bands, take this one, put it over, take this one, put it over. Okay, so now take it off. Now take your S/C clip and then do your other side. And here is your bracelet. Make sure it's not twisted. Make sure it looks like this. So now you can make as many of these, and they're perfect for gifts. Oh yeah, that's how you make a bracelet. That's how you do it. Here are the bracelets now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope they are perfect for like gift baskets and stuff. And yeah, these are really cute and stuff, and I hope you guys like enjoyed it. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and so you can get notified every time I post. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And this is the last thing I want, or maybe not. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you ever made one of these, or if you liked it, or if you're thinking about doing it. I hope you think about it. And like I said, you can use your fingers. So yeah, hope you guys have a fabulous day. I know I did, but yeah, hope you guys have a fabulous day, and goodbye.